afternoon, kids on leaders. Did you remember me from last year?
Yes.
Do you mind if I tell you some more jokes?
Yeah.
Why did the man put a rabbit on his head?
Why?
Because he had no hair. What did the rabbit give his girlfriend? A 14-karat ring. What is Rabbit's favorite dance move?
Bunny
Hip hop yo! Where do rabbits go to dinner?
Where?
IHOP. Why did Parrot get in trouble in school?
Why?
Because he used foul language. Is it my turn yet? Why did Tigger look in the toilet?
Why?
Because he was looking for poo. Okay. Enough of body humor. How about some more school jokes before I leave?
Okay.
I can't hear you.
Okay.
Why does Max look so happy?
Why?
Because he's full of problems. What does the pencil say to the other pencils?
What?
You're looking sharp. Why did the ball eat his homework?
Why?
Because the teacher said it was a piece of cake. What do you get when you cross a dog, a cat, and a raise on their coat collar? Paws until we're perfect. Thank you very much. I'll be here